Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar using Vivaldi browser. To do this, first open Vivaldi browser and visit this one Google Calendar website and then sign in to your account and then minimize this one window. Then click on this one start button and type here Vivaldi. In the search results, right click on this one Vivaldi app, select open file location. Again, right click on this one shortcut, select open file location. Now you will find Vivaldi application. Select it and right click on it. Then select this one copy as path option. Now close this one File Explorer window. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then then put one space and then hyphen, then type here URL and again put one space. Now copy Google Calendar path from this one Vivaldi browser and paste it at the end of this one addresses and then click on this one next button. Name it as Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop icon of Google Calendar. Now right click on this one shortcut, select show more options and then click on pin to taskbar. This will pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar. Whenever you want to open Google Calendar in Vivaldi browser, just click on this one icon in the taskbar and Google Calendar will open up in your Vivaldi browser on your Windows 11 PC.